At the University of Tennessee, we're all about big ideas, and these ideas are making a big difference for our students. We have worked hard to make sure more freshmen make it into their sophomore year.
No freshman comes in thinking that they're not going to make it to graduation or senior year. All of these freshmen sign up for classes with the expectation that they make it to graduation.
So how did we do this? Here are some of our big ideas. It starts with an expectation that students graduate in 4 years. Requiring students to pay for 15 hours has translated into an average course load of 15.1 hours.
I had my first advisor meeting and she sort of laid out all of the coursework for the next 4 years. And it was comforting because I knew that I wasn't going to be here for 5 years. I could get it done in 4 years and I wouldn't have to take 20 hours a semester.
Good advising early in a student's college career is essential for success, and we've increased our staff by 75%. Requiring students to take all those credits every semester means we need to make sure they're available, and we've done that. We have added over 700 classes, dramatically reducing the bottlenecks students faced. And to make getting into those classes even easier, we had another big idea: one-stop express student services.
So usually you'd have to be running around to all these different offices on campus if you had anything with financial aid, registration, payment, but it's perfect because it's right there. It's in the library.
And once they sign up, our new U-Track system makes sure students are on the right path toward graduation. Retention is about more than the classroom. It's also about the quality of life on campus. Right now, there's $1 billion worth of construction underway, including academic buildings, a new student union, and new residence halls.
Just telling my brother, he's about to be a senior in high school, I'm like, if you just come to UT, the next couple of years it's going to be beautiful, and you're going to be seeing some of the best things that UT's had in a while.
I am a little jealous. I wish that it would be finished by 2016. But I think if we all work for my cousins, for my younger friends, and when I come back as an alumni, I will enjoy it much, much more. And hopefully one day when I bring my kids here, they'll appreciate all the construction that happens right now.
Students really care about the quality of the spaces where they work, study, live, and play. So how has all of this impacted our graduation rate? It's a good story. Graduation rates are increasing at a steady pace. Our 4-year rate has increased 12% in 7 years, and our 6-year graduation rate has increased 9%. Progress in all of these metrics is important as we work to become a top-tier public research university. But it's not the most important part of our journey. Our big ideas are really about investing in our students' success and enhancing the student experience at the University of Tennessee.
And it made sense perfectly for me to go to UT. It was hard because, like I said, all my friends were going elsewhere, but looking back now, I don't think I would have succeeded anywhere else as much as I have here.
The University of Tennessee. Big Orange, big ideas.